Hi there guys, this is Dean from the Back to the Slide. That is my uncle Thomas down in there. There's Kane, my cousin. So we just got this Ranger the other day and the boy said that she's rotting here at the media support, so having a nosy in at her if you want to have a look. How's she looking?
There were holes in it.
Rotten Ranger. My God, she's rotten. Ain't quite a mess there, Tom.
Oh,
Bat in the eye.
a wee bit. Back to there.
What's this here? She's a Ford Ranger Crew Crab 2.5 TDCI. You see how rotten she is. Yeah, she's not looking too bad. Apart from there's a bit worrying. What do you guys think here? See some leg. We got them. What do you call them? Rims? Wales rims? Something along those lines. On her. She is got the burger on the toolbar. She is a rod. And Ford bedliner. Oh no, she's not on too bad shape. What do you think, guys? Should we call this the RotBox Ranger? What do you think, Tom? Give it its nickname, the RotBox Ranger.
RotBox Ranger.
The RotBox Ranger. RotBox Ranger coming to you soon. Euro. Yeah, bad unit. 4.4 litre V8 along with E39 M5 6-speed manual gearbox. One of the rarest gearboxes to get. But we'll like to see how this oddball's doing. Oops. There's another rod in the machine there.
up.